In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sections on your Wix website. If you are editing a Wix site and want to reuse a section without rebuilding it from scratch, duplicating it is one of the quickest and easiest tools you can use. This is especially helpful when you want to keep the same layout, design style, or spacing while creating another part of your page. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it inside the Wix editor. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you are on the page where the section you want to copy is located. Once the editor is open, move your cursor over the section you want to duplicate and click on it to select it. It's important to click the section itself so Wix knows exactly which part of the page you want to work with. After the section is selected, you can use a quick keyboard shortcut to duplicate it. On Windows, press Ctrl and D at the same time. On a Mac, press Command and D. This shortcut is a fast way to create a copy instantly, and it's useful if you prefer working with keyboard commands while editing. If you'd rather use the menu options instead of a shortcut, T here is another easy method. Right-click the selected section or click the More Actions button, which appears as 3 dots from the menu that opens. Choose Duplicate. This does the same thing as the keyboard shortcut, so you can use whichever method feels more comfortable for you. As soon as you do that, an exact copy of the section will appear directly beneath the original one. The duplicated section will keep the same content, layout, and styling, which can save a lot of time when you are building out your site. After it appears, you can edit the new copy however you like. Whether that means changing text, swapping images, or adjusting the design to fit a different purpose. When duplicating sections, it's a good idea to quickly review the copied content so you don't accidentally leave repeated text or visuals in place. This helps keep your website clean, intentional, and professional, and that's all to it. Thanks for watching.